Richmond Productions specializes in creating educational documentary programs. Most of our work relates to marine research and conservation. Our credits include National Geographic Television, PBS, the Discovery Channel, the Disney Channel, NHK and TBS of Japan, the BBC, and many others. The World of Oceans series includes the following topics: scientific education, working with some of the world's leading researchers; marine mammals, experiencing these fascinating creatures in their own environment; marine mammal conservation, working with the Santa Barbara Marine Mammal Center, from orphan seals to sea lions to whale rescues; ocean habitats and environments, taking the viewer on an underwater journey of adventure and discovery. Our scientific-based programs are presented in a true documentary fashion. The goal of our program is to expose the viewer to the wonders of the marine environment, using the art of video to bring the viewer as close to a first-hand experience as possible. The World of Oceans series is designed to bring about an awareness that will encourage conservation and respect for life. Each program will conclude with a question and answer session.
Most of the filming I do that you're going to see today is done with an underwater camera. It floats in the water column like this. So I can let go of the camera and it just stays there.